Welcome warriors to my channel, Valkyrie Lane. Today I will teach you how to use this pill cutter that I bought on Amazon for $3.98 and whether or not you should buy or not buy. This comes in an easy to open simple package. So this is what the pill cutter looks like inside. What's unique is that it has a rubber backing that prevents the pill from slipping, and it also comes with a retractable blade guard so you don't cut your fingers. And the blade is only exposed when it closes down and cuts the pill. I'm cutting a very small circular pill here. The trick to creating equal halves is to make sure the pill is touching the V back equally on both sides, and make sure you have dry hands so the pill doesn't stick to your fingers. And push it down slowly so you don't shake the pill, because if you cut it too fast, it's not going to make a very good 50-50 cut. It's important to note that certain medications are not splittable, so make sure you consult your local pharmacist. Cleaning the pill cutter is also very simple. Just rinse with water and let it dry. In summary, with its ease of use, safety features, and equal cutting abilities, I think the final decision is to buy. I included the product link in the description below.
If you like this video and would like to see other videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, click the bell icon for notifications. If you like, and click on the bell notification, and click the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching.